Is your engine feeling weak and that check engine light just popped on with a confusing code regarding a camshaft profile? This can sound complicated, but it is often simpler than you think. Today, we are looking at code P002A, which stands for B Camshaft Profile Control Circuit Open Bank 1. Basically, your car has a system that changes the shape of the camshaft lobes, or rather switches between different lobe profiles, to help the engine breathe better at different speeds. It is like having a setting for cruising and a setting for racing, and the car switches between them automatically to save gas or give you more power. When you see this code, the computer, or ECM, has detected an open circuit in this system on bank 1, which is the side of the engine with the number 1 cylinder. Usually, the B camshaft refers to the exhaust side, but you should double-check your specific manual to be sure. The symptoms are pretty noticeable. You might feel low power, the car might drive roughly, your fuel economy could drop, and the throttle response just will not feel right. The causes often come down to oil. This system is hydraulic, meaning it uses oil pressure to work. If you have skipped oil changes, used the wrong thickness of oil, or if the oil is dirty, the solenoid that controls this profile switch can get stuck or fail. It can also be a broken wire or a loose electrical connector creating that open circuit. To fix this, start with the basics before buying parts. Check your oil level and condition immediately. If the oil looks black or dark, change it in the filter right away. Sludge is the enemy of this system. Make sure you are using the exact oil viscosity recommended by the manufacturer, because if it's too thick or too thin, the hydraulic system cannot push the components properly. Next, pop the hood and find the camshaft profile control solenoid on bank 1. Inspect the wiring harness and the connector plug. Since engines vibrate a lot, these tabs can break and the plug can wiggle loose. Use some electrical contact cleaner on the connections to make sure the signal is getting through cleanly. If the wiring looks good and the oil is clean, the solenoid itself might be dead and need replacing. If you're uncomfortable checking electrical circuits, or if the code comes back after an oil change, you should see a professional, as driving with internal engine timing issues can lead to bigger problems.